English isn't your first language? Mine either. Bulol-bulol nga eh. And do you think your English isn't good enough to build a business? Let me tell you this. That's not a problem anymore. As an immigrant woman, my first language is Ilocano, and then I learned the Tagalog, while English is my second language that we learn from the school until I come here and abroad. I totally understand the fear of not being fluent, especially in this country. We speak Greek, so my language is scrambled, But in this digital business, we have translation from the training site. It actually breaks that barrier. Whether you speak Spanish, Ilocano, Greek, Tagalog, or anything else, or Arabic, we've got you. You can learn, build, and grow in your own language. That's what helped me feel confident and empowered to show up, to speak up, and you're good to go. As Jim Rohn said, don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better. And then go get better every day. Plus, our training site is totally updated now into different languages. So you can use your own to run your own business and to connect with your clients, of course. So, ready to learn more in your own words and in your own way? Just send a message or go over with my website, www.mariapapasabas.com, and I'll personal guide you and give you all the details that you needed to get started. See you.